This is Rabbi Akiva O'Connor, and we are going to be making a brisket for Rosh Hashanah today. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to be setting our oven to 350. This is a big brisket, so we're going to actually be cutting this into two parts. Okay, here we have our two halves of the brisket in tinfoil pans, and now we're going to start adding our other ingredients. 1 large onion, sliced into strips, and placed into the pan with the brisket. Couple cloves of garlic, and a bunch of mushrooms. And all mixed together in the pan. We're going to mix canned tomato sauce, some brown sugar, salt, pepper, dried parsley, garlic powder, onion powder, a few bay leaves, and some whole cloves. We're going to mix this all together and allow the flavors to combine and the sugar to melt. We're going to add in a splash of grape juice also, or you can use wine or anything else in that category. I also like to add a little soup consomme for a bit of an umami flavor. While we're waiting for that to boil, we're going to take 1 lemon, and it's always worthwhile when you're using a lemon to roll the lemon against the counter first to get the juices flowing. Slice the lemon into thin cuts like this, and we spread it over the brisket. Now that our sauce is boiling, we are going to pour it over our brisket. Try and get it covered. Okay, it's now been 2 hours. We're going to take them out and check and see how they're doing. Ooh, look at that. That is yummy looking brisket. Okay, here's the brisket fully out of the oven. What we're going to do now is we're going to let it cool, and then we can take it out, slice it, and return it back to the sauce. And then you can freeze it. You can serve it right away. You could probably sneak a taste also, but it actually tastes a little better frozen or reheated after it's been frozen. Kind of lets everything come together, and now it's ready to go. Have a great Rosh Hashanah, Shana Tova, and enjoy this recipe.